突然の爆発失礼しました。お久しぶりですね。ヒーロー科の全員お名前忘れました。
Hi, so in this video I would like to show you how I made my Hatsume Mei Dreadlock Wig from Boku No Hero Academia. So let's get right into it. You will need wool for the dreads, but a lot. Since I'll be dry felting the dreads, I'm using a felting pen with 3 needles. Be careful with those, they are very sharp and hurt a lot if you prick yourself. I'm also using a felting pad that I made with some EVA scraps. As you can see, one side got used a lot already, so I'll use the pretty side. A pair of scissors and a fine comb are handy tools too. If you're clumsy like me, you might also want to prepare spare needles and some bandages. Now we can start on the actual dreads. After eyeballing the length of the first dread, I'll use it here as an orientation for my second dread. Take 2 pieces of wool that are more than double the length of the dread as a start. Here I already fold the first one by half. The second piece you'll want to rip in half. Use 1 piece of those halves to thicken the first piece. Now, after straightening out the strands, you want to twist the bottom part of the dread and fix it by stabbing with your felting pen. Take a small piece from the leftover half and use it to thicken the bottom even further. This is how I get my dreads a bit bulkier at the end. After that, I like to comb out some of the wool to the dread end to straighten the strands and thinning out the top of the dread by pulling the excess wool out. From now on, it's literally the same thing, twist and stab until the wool gets firm. Be especially careful with your fingers and never stab only one spot, but rather one part over and over again to get the right shape. Once you've achieved the desired length, comb the top part out to thin it even further. Don't twist this part and stab it rather flat, it will be the part you will need to attach the dread to the wig. Just make it as big as you like and cut the excess wool with your scissors when you're done. Stab the dread more a bit where you just cut and you are done. Just repeat this 1,000 times. Just kidding. I mapped out my dreads on a wig head to see how I need to adjust length and number of my dreads. To remember where I want to put the dreads, I just wrote numbers on duct tape and put it on the dread. To give the dread some shape and make the surface a little prettier like the left dread, you'll just need some wire. I already made a loop at the top and the bottom to secure it later on. Use a small loop strand, approximately double the dread length, and lay it over the wire. Carefully stab the wool in place where the loops are. This way the wire will be attached to the dread. When you're done, stab the rest of the wool into place without over-stabbing to get a smoother looking surface than before. Now shape the dread before folding the wool over the other half and secure this as well. Start by closing the gaps at the sides as shown. Cut off excess and secure it with a felting pen. For the wig, make sure your wool has the same color as the wig. Since all the dreads will be a little heavy, I sewed some extra wig holders. Just sew the dreads to the wig how you mapped them out. I actually used tooth floss to sew them in, because it was easy, fast, and it smelled really good. I also gave the wig a cut afterwards. I also sewed some push-on buttons to attach my headgear. And yeah, that's it. Literally. I'll leave additional info in the description box below. Thanks for watching.